何してるんだ。さあ来い。その目を労働に向ける時が来た。
Hello, everyone. This is Anna Dream Barbecue, and I will be is monologuing the right word? Whatever the word is. Dialoguing? I will be talking over the audio because my original source doesn't work. I never noticed the little lines in the in the term thing. You never notice so much detail when you play the game a second time. I'm gonna have to check the speedruns. Also, is it just me, or does the pause menu looks awesome? It can't be just me. I never realized there's voices in the background. I wonder what they're saying. I wonder if someone else has figured out what they're saying. Yeah, I was looking for... There's like this one secret in this part of the map, and I could not find it. Why does no one ever run that far when they see this point? Like, I get it. A lot of gamers figure out it's an infinite loop very quickly, but no one ever explores it. Does that just make... Also, are these players different? Or is that also just me? Like, I feel like it's like an animation of sorts.
Hope you don't mind, but could you tell me...
Where the hell is the boss?
Yes, I am the boss. Ha!
こんなわけないだろう、アホか。真に受けるなよえな。こいつはボスなんかじゃない。
Okay, you got me. I am not the boss, nor a penguin, but in fact, the great Dracula.
いったくいかれた野郎だ。こんなやつとはもうやってられるか。
I am not nuts. I am Dracula.
What are your pain points? What's your problem? What are our business struggles today? Let me help you invest in your future.
それって新手のマルチか何か。難しい言葉よしてくれないか。めまいがしそうだ。
No! Just tell me about this dumb job already!
仕事に積極的なのか。そりゃいい心がけだ。いや、そうだな。よく聞いてくれ。時間はだいぶかかったが、このおしゃべりはなんとかボスの居場所を突き止めた。だが一つ問題があるとすれば、お前は遅すぎた。今からそこに滅びた道
I mean,
は
actually, it did take us a while to get
時
to
間
this
のことなんて
point.
ないんだ。
17 minutes.
Seems I am out of the loop. Shall we review the job description?
まあ、あんたのその変な言葉遣いで言うとすれば、俺たちが狙ってるのはボスの腹渡だな。そいつは俺たちの最大のワークターゲットってとこかな。
Understood. Aim for the target.
そう。なんだこれ、誰だタバコ吸ってるの。ダメだ。このスモークのせいで肺がどうにかなっちまう。もうタバコのスモークは大嫌いだ。最悪だ。
I am Dracula.
黙れ。
Let's arrange our next ambush at the scene. Could you point out the boss's location?
こっちだ。こっちに来い。見ろ、あの島が見えるか。ボスはどうやらあそこに潜んでるらしいんだ。な。だがまずはこのスモークを消し去ることが先かもな。で、取引成立か。
Oh yeah, if you missed it, and a dream barbecue is the name of it.
あんたは元いた場所に戻れ。そして受付を見つけるんだ。どうすれば肺をパンクさせずにボスの元にたどり着けるのかを必ず聞くんだ。
That is most categorically doable.
They also made a series on YouTube. Whose phone
あ
is...
んたが思ってる通り、ここに
Is that
座
my
って仕事してると息苦しくなってくるよ。
That manic? Oh wait, that's the... Oh,
You must be the entity that figured out where our target was. Is that verifiably true?
What? Did you call me a stinky penguin?
No, but I know a guy who could get you one.
I can hear your thoughts. Stop!
Oh yeah, the crouching and stuff was so I can make a second recording. Makes it easier to send it through Google. Well, nobody calls it Google Mail. Gmail. Makes it easier to send through Gmail. And Drive and stuff.
Street, anyone folks, move.
Yeah, if you can't tell already, I'm the type of player that tries to get every bit of dialogue.
Did I catch you at an okay time?
Ah, encore vous? Allez-vous-en! Vous suintez la pauvreté! Allez manger des plats surgelés, sale limace à col rose!
I'm afraid that the smoke here is polluting our lungs.
Let's cut the crap! Yes! We'll get rid of it for us so I can deal with the man in charge! Quoi? J'espère que vous racontez des conneries de prolétaires. Vous arrivez trop tard. Le boss n'est même pas encore né. D'ailleurs, ce n'est pas de mon ressort de donner de tels ordres. Maintenant, revenez quand vous serez plus riche. Misérable mendiante bouilleuse démunie sans un sou et pochée comme les blés.
Well, who else is involved in the decision making?
Ah, c'est reparti avec les questions, c'est ça? Vous m'avez l'air très problématique. Are you poor with words or what? Let's talk, you chief assistant! Pauvre? Bas de gamme? Moi?
Worry not. You are still a child of God.
Vous jouez avec le feu, mademoiselle? Bon, écoutez, les genies sont les seuls à pouvoir arrêter la smoke. Tout ce qui se cache derrière les portes de cet endroit chante leur gloire. Et n'essayez même pas de manquer de respect aux portes.
Bless you for your business.
I いまいましいジーニーとドアについて聞いてたんだがね、もしあんたが探しに行くっていうんなら俺は一緒には行けないみたいだ。いやこのスモークのせいで足が痛くってな。だからジーニーを見つけるのはあんた次第ってことになる。また連絡するよ。
Heal, heal, frog!
Ping me in some moments.
Это я!
You're not fooling anyone, fraud!
Ну да, твоя правда. Меня звать Кейт, а ты вот Энна. Я тебя тут миллион раз видывал. Тут что, фестиваль простаков и простачек? Ну да ладно, ты видал уже одинокую дверь? Я от нее тащусь. Ух, не дождусь отправиться вплавь и добросовестно тусить, нарушая все законы. Вот в этот раз я точно повстречаю туалет.
Bathroom? You must be talking about the genie, true?
Джигги, как странно ты называешь туалет. С прошлого своего тусича тут мало что помню. Хлопушек.
I am the boss.
Boss of what? Hogwash?
Ah, Anna. unpopular everywhere, aren't you? I have studied Anna for a long
Yeah, for anyone who
time.
doesn't know, Anna is more of a
Are you a
species than
professional stalker?
person.
Don't take it personally.
No. Common mistake, but sad mistake. Stalker entities are inside crowd door, begging for autographs, for fame. No Piero the Genie equals no town.
Crowd door, is it? Sounds like we've got a busyness there, huh?
I am confident you are unwelcome at the door. Piero the Genie is an entity with deviant tastes, just like me.
죄송해요. 저한테 할 말 있으세요?
Do you want me to turn around and roll my window down?
혹시 얘기할 사람이 그렇게 필요하시다면 제가 뱉을 수 있는 단어가 몇 가지 있는 것 같습니다. 저는 여기 온 지 얼마 안 됐어요. 여기에서 사람들이 내가 해야 한다고 생각하는 일을 하라고 저를 고용했거든요.
You look like a fellow entrepreneur. Let me shake your hand and collect your genius germs.
죄송해요. 제 업무표에 따르면 악수는 제가 하는 일에 포함되어 있지 않습니다. 그들은 단지 새로운 호스트와 지니의 취임식을 준비할 수 있는 누군가를 찾기 위해 저를 고용하였습니다. 혹시 그런 사람을 아신다면 가능한 빨리 그 사람의 혈액 샘플을 저한테 팩스로 보내주세요. 내 인생은 지금 엉망진창이야. 내가 돈 받은 만큼만 일할 수 있으면 좋겠다.
Again, it looks so cool. We need to pause. I think here is either exploring more or just got lost. It's hard to tell sometimes.
Vous pensez aller où comme ça? Ce n'est pas un endroit pour les imposteurs tels que vous.
この辺りじゃジーニーが人気なんだそうだがね、俺にはジーニーが何なのかさっぱりは。きっとそいつらはバナナを吸うタイプなんだろうな。
Yeah, I was expecting that to kick back. Not that. And then I entered the door, and I think that's the end of the recording, so like, subscribe, and oh yeah, I forgot forgot we've got like an extra 20 or so seconds. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, enjoy the next couple videos.